This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the photo and a tight edit brief so you can act fast. Upload the JPG or PNG directly into the chat interface, and then paste the 1 to 3 sentence instruction that states the goal and constraints. Specify exact values when you can, crop ratios like 16, 9, color hex codes, or a $15 budget if you need a paid tool. Once done, confirm the file uploaded correctly and ask the assistant to propose a short edit plan before actual changes. Now you walk the assistant through each change so edits are predictable. Start with structural edits like crop and straighten, then adjust exposure, contrast, and white balance. Give numeric tweaks such as +0, 5 EV or -10% shadows. Once those are set, ask for targeted retouching with masks, specify areas and strength, for example. Mask face for subtle skin smoothing, 15% intensity. Finally, request a preview version and a high-resolution export, and make sure to ask for an editable steps list. Finish by reviewing the before and after and confirming export specs such as resolution and file format. You should request a steps log or layered file so you can undo or tweak later, and then export the final image in the desired quality. If you spot an issue, first revert the last change or reduce its intensity rather than redoing everything. This preserves earlier correct work. If colors shift, ask for an ICC profile or specific white balance, Kelvin value to stabilize results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.